In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Calendly Embed code in 2025. Whether you're setting up a website or just want to streamline how people book meetings with you, embedding your Calendly schedule is a great way to do just that. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to Calendly's website. Simply open your browser and go to calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to log in. Most of us opt to sign in with our Google account, so you can click on Continue with Google. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This step is crucial as Calendly uses this connection to manage your calendar scheduling efficiently. As you proceed, you'll need to choose the Google account that you have previously connected to Calendly. Click on your account, and this action will direct you to your Calendly dashboard. From here, you'll have access to managing your meetings. Now, let's say you're organizing a new event. You'll want to click on the New Meeting button. This is your gateway to setting up or tweaking events to perfectly suit your needs. Once you have your meeting particulars in place, it's time to share it. You'll spot the Share button on the screen. Clicking on it opens up options for distributing your scheduling link. It's the simple act that allows others to see when you're available and book time with you. To integrate this onto your website, we'll need to grab the embed code. So next, click on Add to Website. This option lets you visually incorporate your calendar into web pages, making it directly accessible to your audience. Among the embedding options, you'll find Inline Embed. Choose this option to maintain your calendar's appearance directly on the site without the necessity for visitors to navigate away. Following this, click on Continue, which brings us to the point where you can see and copy the embed code. It's at this stage that Calendly generates the HTML code you will need for embedding. Once you're at the embed code screen, click on Embed Code. You'll see the precise block of code that needs to be added to your website. Finally, click on Copy Code. With just one click, the code is copied to your clipboard, ready to paste into the website's HTML. And there you have it. Your Calendly schedule is set to appear on your site. By following these steps, you ensure your scheduling tool is visible and integrated smoothly, allowing anyone with a link to seamlessly book time with you. Whether you're new to embedding or simply needed a refresher, I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy scheduling!